In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form on Wix. We'll start right inside the Wix editor where you can add elements to any page on your site. Look to the left-hand toolbar and click the plus icon. This opens the Elements panel, the place where you'll find everything from text and images to interactive features. From here, choose Contact and Forms. This section is designed specifically for collecting visitor information and includes ready-made layouts and fields. Using this category helps your submissions route correctly into your Wix contacts and integrate smoothly with tools like Wix Inbox and automations. Next, select Create New Form. You may see this option once in the category and again in a panel or pop-up. Go ahead and click Create New Form again to confirm. Wix will place a new form on your page. It typically includes a few basic fields so you can get started quickly, and you can customize each one right on the canvas. Click the first name field to edit it. When a field is selected, you'll see options to change the label, adjust the placeholder text, and set whether it's required. Keeping first name short and clear encourages more people to complete your form. Now click the last name field. Consistency matters, so match the style and requirements to your first name field. If you prefer to use a single full name field instead, you can adjust labels accordingly, but keeping first and last name separate can make your contact list cleaner. Click the email field next. This is the most important field for follow-ups, so consider marking it as required and enabling basic validation if available. Clear placeholder text like name@example.com helps reduce typos and improves deliverability when you contact visitors later. If you want to collect a bit more information, you can also add fields for number and birthday. Add only what you truly need. Extra questions can lower form completion rates. If you include a phone number, consider labeling it as optional. For birthdays, think about how you'll use that data, such as sending a special offer, and add a short note so visitors understand the benefit. When your fields look good, click Preview to test the experience. Type sample information, trigger any required field messages, and make sure the layout is easy to read. This is a great moment to check spacing and readability before going live. Finally, click Save. Saving stores your form and any changes you've made so far. That's it. Your contact form is set up and ready for you to publish whenever you're ready.